Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I want to show you my experience with Qservers. I tried Qservers affiliate marketing program, and here's my experience as usual. So Qservers is a hosting platform um, based in Nigeria. Yes, a local hosting platform, domain registrar where you can buy your domain names, especially the .ng. Yes, they are one of the licensed sellers of .ng domain. So they also have affiliate marketing program, and you can see on their website here, you can see affiliates, right? Affiliates. So I'm going to share my experience, practical experience. You know that what I give you is something that will help you make decisions, especially on any money online and the platforms you can actually use. That's why I share practical experience that I've had myself. So let's see what they have. Let's go to affiliates because I need to log in first. To log into my account. Okay, already logged in. So let's go to affiliates. Okay, so my experience with their platform, you can see I've had, from my statistics, I've had 214 clicks and I've had 34 signups, right? And a conversion rate of 15, just say approximately 16%, right? 16%. Let's look at the real money. So Qservers pays in Naira, right? So not really something much, but I've withdrawn a total of 16,250. That's what my dashboard is saying. Available balance 8,500. Commission pending maturation 510. Right. So the simple way of requesting for withdrawal is simply to click on request withdrawal. Of course, you must have set up your account number because they pay directly to your account. Like I said, it's a local platform based in Nigeria, and everything is in Nigeria currency. So if you're my audience watching me from Nigeria, I know you've been interested in this, right? Or you're in Nigeria that lives, abroad, you can also leverage on this. All right, so these are the referrals, and you can see them. These are they pay basically 10%. They promise 20%, but they don't pay 20%. They basically pay 10%, right? That's one of the downside of these platforms. Now, Qservers runs their affiliate marketing program directly. It's not on any platform. They are running it themselves, right? I told you in the other video about when I was talking about PLR database, I said beware of platforms that run their affiliate program directly. That is not on an affiliate marketing platform like Impact Radius, CJ, Share Sale, and the rest, right? Now, these people run directly, but the good thing about theirs is that I've actually withdrawn real money. They paid me money, unlike the other one that I earned money, I couldn't withdraw even a dime. Right? This one I've paid, they've given me some money, not something serious, but at least it's money. Okay, but there's an experience I also need to share. Like I said, they will promise 20%. If you check their promise, I want to check that their promise. Okay, because I'm logged in, it may not, I'm unable to see. But what they promise on their platform is 20%, but they are not paying 20%. You can see that this is to prove to you. This is 17,000 paid, right? This is what they are paying 1,700. That means this is 10% of this. So what they have virtually paid is 10% instead of the 20% they promised. That's the one experience. Second experience is a recent one, right? Now, I noticed that it's either they are having challenges because I'm still watching. I don't want to conclude yet. I don't want to conclude yet because it's a new experience. What is that experience? I have requested for my money since last week. Normally, they pay every Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you've earned any money, they're going to pay you on Tuesday, on Thursday. Now, I've made this request. This is over a week. When I make the request, automatic email will come in as usual. But there's no follow-up email. Normally, after the automatic email will come up, then there'll be a follow-up email telling you that, okay, we have checked and everything is fine. your payment will be received, before so time or within so time. But what I've been receiving is automatic email. They will not say they will check. That is it. That they will check is where they will stop. And it has happened twice. I'm on the third one. I've requested for the third time now. So I'm still watching to check if they are having issues or, because these guys, like I said, if they are not on those platforms, it's easy for them to do anything because this is their website. They can actually do whatever they like. I don't want to conclude that Qservers affiliate program is not working yet until I'm going to do another video. I'll give them like benefit of the doubt, two more weeks. So today is 22nd. So by first week of August, I'm going to do another video to update you on what has happened. Have they paid me, or is this still the same thing? So that you yourself, you'll be aware and not become a victim. So Qservers, if you stumble on this video, please do not delay paying affiliate commission because it takes a whole lot of work to earn a commission. So if you say you're going to pay Tuesdays and Thursdays, stick to that plan, right? And the worst part is that you're not even saying anything. And that is crazy because if I've earned money on your platform through hard work and through my resources, you should be able to pay without any excuse, all right? So, well, like I said, I've not concluded anything on you yet. I'm just sharing with my viewers my candid experience. Yes, I've earned some money from you, but my late experience that I'm having lately is, bringing up some red flag. But I don't want to say there's a problem yet because, it's just 1 week. 1 week going to 2 weeks is not too long. So I'm going to give you another 2 weeks. So at least I know I've given you 1 month. So that when I now come out to tell my viewers that this is what it is, then there will not be any, issue. So please do the needful if you see this video and ensure that, all other people who have earned money on your platform and requested, get their money. Of course, you've collected this money. Every money here you have collected has entered your account. Every money here, that's why it's active. So there's no reason why you should not pay and on time, because paying on time is very, very important. Affiliate marketing is beautiful, both for the company and the advertiser, the publisher, right? It's both good for the company and the affiliate marketer, right? If everybody does their own work. I'm doing my own work by promoting your product. You do your own work by paying me my money. So guys, this has been my experience with Qservers. I must say Qservers, they are doing well in terms of the hosting plan and all that. It's okay for local stuff. Yeah, okay for local stuff. But if I want to do something very big, very huge, I may not want to use Qservers. But for startup, something little, you can use them because the prices are affordable. They are very, very affordable. Right? That's one of them. And they make it easy for you to pay because, in Nigeria now, you're going to buy foreign host or buy domain, maybe from GoDaddy, Namecheap, and the rest. It's dollar. You know how much is dollar. And in fact, paying for dollar is also difficult. So they make it easy for you by, you're going to pay in naira and all that, and it's a bit affordable. So they have their ups, they have their advantage and disadvantage. But like I said, they're okay for something startup, and especially when you want to do local stuff, you can use them, right? But for me, if I want to do something very big and that requires 100% uptime, I might not want to use them for certain reasons. But that's not to say they have any. Of course, I'm promoting them; they are fine, and of course, you can make your choice. Okay, guys. So this is where I'm going to stop the video, and I think I've given you my own experience, so you can go ahead if you have audience that use hosting, buy domain, Qservers, the product you can promote. Maybe you may need to wait till I come back to you after 2 weeks to tell you if the commission is now flowing, right? I believe it will. All right. So I'll see you again in another video. Please remember to like, share the video, and of course, if you are not subscribed to the channel, do that because what I bring you are practical experiences, things that will help you earn real money online, with real experience. So I'll see you again in another exciting video.